The Middleburg Magistrate's Court in Mpumalanga is today expected to hand down judgment in the application by former Eskom Executive Matshela Koko and 9 others to have the fraud, corruption and money laundering case against them struck off the roll. This after the state requested that the case be postponed for a further 4 months for conclusion of some of the charges. But for more on the story, let's bring in SABC News reporter Tumelo. Machogo. Tumelo, good morning to you. Okay, what are we expecting to see take place today?
Well, Naledi, the court actually started about 10 minutes ago. We're expecting the Magistrate Stanley Jacobs actually to hand out the judgment on that matter. Remember that the state is requesting that the case be postponed for a further 4 months, and also because they want to finalize their investigation. You remember that they do have about 6 witnesses that they still have in Germany and also in the United States. So those witnesses and accused, there has not been finalized of the investigation. The investigation there is not been finalized also there, but they're also saying that they have a lot of information that they've also been discovering since the people have been arrested. But the defense in the matter, in all of the matter, they're saying that this is a delaying tactic, and also they arrested the people prematurely, and that's why now they cannot continue with the case, and that's why they're asking that the magistrate actually struck the matter off the roll. 5 minutes ago, the magistrate was saying here in court that the judgment was supposed to be handed out last week, but then the magistrate did send a message to the NPA saying that he wants the investigating officer to be in court today so that he can get a clarification on some of the matter. He says he's got about 6 matters that needs to be clarified, and he wants to clarify on those matters. Now they've asked for adjournment because now the defense is saying that they did not know about this, that there actually has to be a witness that has to come to the stand, and the IO has to come to the stand and actually give evidence on this matter. So they've asked for 5 minutes adjournment so they can consult with their clients if they want that the witness actually just take the stand, or the magistrate just to hand over that judgment, because the magistrate said he would only hand out the judgment once he has actually been talking to that witness, to this investigating officer on the matter. You remember that the defense also has been saying that the state says that they have a lot of information. They have not given them that information, including evidence was about 16 terabytes of evidence of information that the state say that they have. They say that they have not been furnished with that information, which is a lot of information. 16 terabytes is about 883 pages of pieces of paper. So they're saying that is going to delay, and this is also delaying the case. But the state did say previously that they will give them like a software so that they can actually just type in a word, so that then it will give them information about what's going to happen there. But I see now that most of the lawyers are starting to return back to court, so it means that they have consulted with their client to see if they will allow the magistrate to actually call in the investigating officer to the stand,
just quickly,
so we can get clarity.
Yeah, just quickly before I let you go, and I know you need to rush off now, but I wanted to get this out because it's interesting that you've got these administrative challenges that's slowing down what happens in court today. But I'm also keen to hear who is in the courtroom. I know that obviously Mr. Matshela Koko would be in the courtroom, and you can talk to us about his demeanor. What is supporting benches behind him looking like?
Well, I'm going to just ask my colleague, actually Frank Gotwana, just to show you the behind. We're not allowed to show the state, so our camera will a little bit go down so that we don't show the prosecution in the matter, because the prosecution don't want to be shown on camera. But we'll show you what is actually happening with here. With this is Mr. Matshela Koko there, actually speaking to his wife and also one of his stepdaughters there, and also just behind Mr. Matshela Koko is Advocate Sean Abrams. He's also representing accused number 9, and also the white man sitting there is also one of the accused, Johannes Kotsia. He's a lawyer and also one of the accused in the matter. So these are the people that actually are here. So some of them have already been returning now. The lawyers have returned to court actually now. It seems like they have consulted with their clients, and now it's the matter now they will have to give to the magistrate, so the magistrate can actually just hand over the judgment. It seems like everyone is back in court. Naledi, we are going to have to leave it here because now they are calling the magistrate to come to court to actually hand out that judgment that is expected to be handed in.